You peer from your tent at the stillness of an outback dawn. A few morning stars and the first licks of orange light across the desert horizon. Then you clamber into your riding clothes. They smell of saddle leather and dust, but it's a good smell, an honest smell, like something you've earned. And as you tug on your boots, you realise you're already eager to see your horse. Somewhere to the west, the cattle are stirring, lowing and stamping the red earth, and the drovers are making ready. You stand outside your tent to watch as the morning sky streaks with golden light. The air is laced with the aroma of hot, strong coffee, and you smile. Getting up early never felt this good. The Great Australian Outback Cattle Drive is on the move again. 500 head of cattle, 390 kilometres of desert track, and a swag of adventure stories along one of the most evocative desert trails in Australia, the Oodnadatta Track. Will see the drovers take the concept into new and exciting territory. For 5 weeks, they will push the mob of cattle southeast through the Oodnadatta Track. This unique and rewarding travel experience offers people of all ages, abilities and backgrounds the opportunity to relive the glory years of Australia's outback cattle drovers. By riding alongside real working people, moving a real mob of cattle through real outback wilderness. The Oodnadatta Track also represents a significant part of Australian pioneering history. Following a land corridor that enabled Europeans to break into the interior of a continent they'd thus far found impenetrable. Stories will unfold, stories of the indigenous inhabitants, stories of the pioneers, and stories of the modern people who still make their living in this extreme and isolated environment. As the animals sway and the dust rises, you'll pass a string of ruins, legacies and landmarks. The Great Australian Outback Cattle Drive has been divided into 7 distinct tours. Each of these lasts 4 nights and 5 days, and each has its own highlights. It's time to saddle up